This time on Boneyard Revivals, we build a plow for our garden tractor here so we can plow the driveway. And it works mint. No, it doesn't. It breaks twice and doesn't move snow at all. I mean, it moves a little, but not a lot. Anyways, welcome to Boneyard Revivals. Another day of a lot of snow, and I've been making passes here in the driveway, shoveling, and I just feel like it's not the smart move. Do we have another option here? The answer might be yes. We got the old man's Case garden tractor here. I believe it's like a T130 or something like that. It does run. I drained all the fuel out of it for winter time, and I was keeping it over here because we took it up to an antique tractor show like back in September. It's been sitting here in the basement ever since, just trying to keep it out of the weather and whatnot. But, and it's funny, this actually does have a plow for it, and the plow's over at my dad's house. I very well could just go go over to my dad's place and grab the plow, but that'd be too entertaining. So what we're gonna do instead is we're gonna take the old plow bracket. I'm just gonna mount a piece of, like, I don't know, plywood or something there, and send it. Sure. Because why on earth would I make it easier for myself? That would be dumb. Just do this the hard way. Yeah. All right, let's make a makeshift plow. Funny too, because you think out of like all the vehicles that I have here, like this one and like, the S10, you would think out of between, Tammy and the S10, I could probably just, get a plow bracket and literally just mount it on that and have that be a plow truck. Because, it wouldn't hurt going up and down the driveway. Four-wheel drive works good, but we haven't gotten there. So if anybody's got a plow bracket and a plow for an S10, let me know, because then that would justify me keeping the S10. I need a hole in the head. But let's go make a makeshift plow so we can just get the driveway plowed for today, I guess. Yeah. So I think what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna just go around the house and grab a bunch of scrap wood, screw a bunch of stuff together, see if it works, and then we'll come back when I have something built. Yep. See you in a few seconds. Yep. It looks like a plow. Let's check our steering radius, make sure we actually are going to have adequate, steering here. Max tilt, sheet clearances. Other side. She close, but there's clearance. Oh, yeah. Boys, we're in business here. And pretty much what I did is I just took scrap pieces and just started screwing them together. There was no logic behind how I was gonna do this. Maybe a few spots, okay? Like the original mount here has bolts in it, and then all this is just screwed together. And the only reason why all of these are here is to make enough clearance so I could have had this be wider. Otherwise, it would only gonna be able to be, about a foot wide. So we upgraded from the 12-inch plow to the 18-inch plow. The only thing we have left to really do here is I need to make something that I can tilt this up and down with, which that'll be easy. I'm just gonna blast the hole like right here and then just run a string over there, and then I'll probably pick that up. Let's go do that. Yep. This string's probably gonna break, but oh yeah. That's all you could ever ask for in a plow right there. Up and down motion, get her nice and close to the ground, get some plow done, and then just bring her back. Bring her back. Oh, that's good. It's really good. Now for the fun part, will this thing actually fire up and run? Big question. All right, we got fuel in it. Let's see what happens. Perfect. Let's go plow snow, boys.
I saw.
Oh. So yeah, that broke. What I decided to do so we can keep trying to plow the driveway here is I just took the other boards and screw them together, and then I went to test it and I didn't get a video of it, but I decided to break the other chunk off. But you know, it's still there, you know. I mean, that is a good chunk of, you know, well, that's good 2 inches of snow it could move, but you know what, at this point I don't even care. Let's just go plow the driveway, right? Let's keep going.
What you doing? What you doing?
Quality plow job right there. So what'd you think? It worked so well, didn't it?
Oh yeah.
And when I say it works so well, I mean you work so well.
I know. I'm a strong, independent woman.
It did a great job. Look how just evenly it plowed the snow. It didn't like just push it over.
More snow than you actually got rid of.
All that it matters though is that when people, you know, drive by, it looks like it got somewhat plowed.
They're like, oh wow, those people, they definitely have their stuff together.
Yeah, they have a plow vehicle.
They have
a solid, reliable plow vehicle.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Or a solid, reliable vehicle, period.
Oh yeah. No. So actual review. It didn't work. Not at all.
Better luck next time.
It actually broke twice.
Yeah,
you guys saw
it was
that?
actually really funny.
Honestly, I think if the original design could have worked, it would have actually been, you know, a little better. I threw in that bottom piece at the end just to try to, you know, make the plow a little bigger, so you know, move more snow. But I mounted it too low, and basically it hit and it broke. Yeah, but what fun is, you know, using a shovel when you could pull out the old case tractor and run it around for a bit? I think that's
any excuse you have to do that.
Yeah, that's pretty accurate actually. But yeah, so didn't work. I guess next time we'll
Better luck next time.
actually go over to my dad's and actually put the plow on the tractor.
Maybe. Get the
And it's still
while we're at it.
That too. Yeah.
Got a nice little sand dune.
You just like the snowmobile now.
I think I just like going fast.
That too. Alright, so yeah, plow. Kind of sort of worked, but didn't work. Yeah.
5 out of 10.
Let's go drink.
Sounds great.
See you later. Oh, I hate shoveling. was a good idea, all right? It was better than doing this.